mensahe nga kayat ti mabigas organization nga inanon da kada tayo kat ayabak man ni Madam Beth nga isuna ti manibasa ka isuna ti nang isendan da yan nang ipawitan na yung pinatoy nga message ka.
Good afternoon to everyone. Dear officers and members of UNOS, on behalf of us, all of the Mabigas Foundation, the Netherlands, I would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to you all for the community's 5th year anniversary. This milestone is a testament to the unwavering dedication, resilience, and passion for your cause. To our dearest Manny Crispy Kiwang, thank you so much for your kind invitation to join in your celebration. Unfortunately, not many of us are able to attend due to time constraints, but we are delighted to have you, who will be there to celebrate with you and represent us. Having experienced the ups and downs of forming and establishing Mabigas Foundation, we understand the immense courage, dedication, patience, and resilience, and understanding and love it takes to reach such a significant milestone for UNOS. Your journey is an inspiration to us all. It is a reminder of what we can achieve when we remain committed to our vision and mission. So as you celebrate this special occasion, we encourage you to keep moving forward with the same spirit and determination that has brought you this far. No, the 50th anniversary tat na ko na ng golden year. The 5 years ka no, but it's less likely that you hear someone saying happy wood anniversary. So this is our wish for you. No matter what the challenges that may come, stay united, naunos at nakanayon. So we can all someday come together again to celebrate the most aspired 50th or golden anniversary. Congratulations once again for making it through the years, and cheers for many years of success and impact. With warmest regards, Myra Collis, Mabigas Founding Chairperson, on behalf of all the board and constituents of Mabigas Foundation in the Netherlands. Salamat. Manon.
Sa umayda,